And honestly guys, I have started the video too much late today because it's almost 4:30 right now. Let's just quickly make the template. Okay, inner portion is done. Now let's do the outer portion. Okay, here we go guys. Here's the template. Wow, looks pretty much good. I know the color is looking too much faded, but still don't worry. After adding Fevicol glue, I mean this glue, the Beyblade will look pretty much colorful. So yeah, let's just quickly do that. And guys, whenever you are using Fevicol glue on templates, please don't give too much Fevicol glue, otherwise the color will come off. So try to give as much as you can, I mean less. Okay, let's just quickly keep it here and let's just quickly, okay guys, while the template is drying up, let's just quickly make the ratchet 980, I guess. Okay, the new disc comes with PhoniexWing. Okay, let's go. And you might be thinking why I'm using 360 ratchet template, so you will see that later. Just wait and watch. Here we go. I will turn this disc, I mean this ratchet, into the 980 ratchet very easily, because the 980 ratchet is pretty much similar to the ratchet of Grand Sword 360 ratchet, I mean. Okay, oh sorry. So actually guys, the 980 ratchet is pretty similar to Grand Sword ratchet, as I have told you. It actually has 3 main contact points like this one, as you can see, like the 360 ratchet, and 6 major contact points, small contact points. So let me show you that. Something like this, little bit of spike, I guess. I don't know how much accurate, but I'm trying my best to make that small contact points around the disc sticking out. Okay, something like this guys, as I have shown in the picture. You can clearly see here guys, something like that. Okay, now let's see the condition of our new PhoniexWing. Oh, here we go. Wow, not bad guys, looking pretty much colorful, and yeah, shiny as well. Wow, not bad. And oh, what the heck, I just burned my launcher, bro, and the thing is coming out. Sorry launchers. Anyway, okay, here we go guys, PhoniexWing on the way. Here's the template guys, 980 ratchet with small contact points and the major 3 contact points. Here we go. Now let's just quickly make some more templates of this ratchet template. Here we go. Okay, here you go guys, ratchet templates are almost done. Okay. अरे कुछ भी यार, कुछ भी। Okay. Here we go guys, templates are done. Okay. Okay, both system, you know. Let's just heat up the cardboard pieces and take out all the air with iron. As you can see guys, the smoke are coming out, and actually that's the water that is vaporizing from the cardboard pieces. And actually it helps me to cut the cardboard pieces much properly. Sorry for my deep English. Now let's just quickly cut out the inner portions of each and every cardboard piece, starting with the PhoniexWing template. Here we go, perfect. That's inner part of this too. Come on, come on, come on. Here we go. Okay. Okay guys, all the inner portion of each cardboard piece is done right now, as you can see, fully cut out it. And now we have to cut the outer portion, this outside area, with scissors. PhoniexWing on the way. Now let's go for the ratchet part. Okay guys, here we go. We are finally done cutting all the cardboard pieces and the preparation of PhoniexWing is fully done. Here we go guys. Now we have to make the Beyblade, but unfortunately guys, it's almost
the next day.
Final piece. Okay, here we go guys. Now we have to do the shaping to make it look as much accurate like PhoniexWing. Let's go. And sorry for the... Okay guys, I'm almost done with the shaping. I don't know how much it's looking, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. But yeah, looking pretty much accurate like the original one. But still, it's cardboard, you know. So yeah, no comparison. It's time to add some 3D looks. Let's go. Let me just give some in the inner portion. Oh, I'm out of super glue, bro. Yep, fully smooth, as you can see. Okay, almost done with the ratchet, guys. Now just let's quickly stick these small circular cardboard pieces. Here we go guys, 980 ratchet, I guess. As you can see guys, the bottom part is too much tall. So yeah, it's not really 980 ratchet in my opinion. Now we just have to add colors anyway. So the ratchet and the layer is fully done. Now let's just finally make the bit. There's two comments. So you just need a regular sign pen marker like this one. And you just need the head of the pen like this. Okay, now let me just show you the full process of making the bit of PhoniexWing. Wish I had a black color marker pen, but unfortunately I don't have right now, so I am using this white color one. Don't worry guys, I will color it with black color soon after making the full bit. Until let me just quickly design it same like the bit of PhoniexWing. I don't know how much accurate, but I'm trying my best guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Okay guys, here we go. Here's the bit guys. And actually guys, I don't know what's the name of this bit. Please let me know in the comments. But yeah, it's an attack type bit. Okay guys, here we go. We are finally done creating the full PhoniexWing Beyblade. Here's the full parts guys, just look at that. Wow, here's the guys layer, I mean the blade. Yeah guys, looking pretty much accurate. Let me know your thoughts in the comments with the burst system from the previous generation. Wow. Yeah guys, this looks actually very cool. Better than Cobalt Drake in my opinion. But yeah, Cobalt Drake is still my favorite because it's a blue color bay and blue color is my favorite. But still, this is the second ever Beyblade X bay that has a colored blade. Anyway, next we have the ratchet guys, which is actually 980, which is pretty much similar to the ratchet of Grand Sword. As you can see here, pretty much similar to 360 ratchet in my opinion. But yeah, you can clearly see some small spikes here, which actually represents this 980 ratchet. Anyway, and finally guys, we have this epic looking bit. Sorry for my name English. Anyway, here you go. As you can see guys, fully black color. I think it's not actually fully black color. I think it's actually dark red color in my opinion, as I saw the original pic. Let me know your thoughts in the comments guys. But yeah, the bit is looking pretty much accurate. Attack type bit. Really happy to see that Phoenix came in Beyblade X with attack type bit. So it's going to be amazing guys. Just kind of to see the performance of this bay. Now let's just quickly place the Beyblade. Here we go. Yeah, fully tight and perfect. Whoa, just look at it. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Here we go guys. PhoniexWing. Whoa, wow. Perfect attack type bay. Very stable guys. And looking crazy awesome. Pretty much like Revive Phoenix in my opinion. Little bit yellow and little bit red. Go shoot. PhoniexWing. Night lens. Whoa. Okay, swing. Let's go. Attack versus balance. Here we go. Okay, I lost. Dan Dragger versus Phoenix Wing. Here we go, let's see. Oh, Phoenix Wing won this one. And that's all today. See you in the next one.